Hello there, welcome to Living on Purpose. My name is Fola Adelesi, and I'm talking to you about 15 areas where you can actually set goals. I've been talking for a while now, so you need to understand that goals are very important. And I believe that going by some of the things I've shared so far, you've already started setting your goals. So this time around, one other area where you can set your goal is in the area of skill acquisition. If you actually start setting goals for skill acquisition, your life will become easier. Some of the goals that you are setting, there's no way you can set those goals without actually acquiring new skills. I did say that one of the reasons goals fail is because people have limited knowledge or limited training. So it means that you need to acquire new skills for some trainings or for some goals that you really want to achieve. If you really want to become a motivational speaker, you need the skill of a speaker. And you have to train yourself when it comes to public presentation, learning how to pronounce words correctly, succinctly, being able to enunciate your words. Those are very important things. What exactly do you want to do? You want to become a photographer, a cinematographer? What exactly do you want to do? You want to become a lecturer? There are skills you must acquire. And all these skills are things you must go and train yourself to be able to do. The moment you acquire the needed skill to accomplish a goal, it becomes easier for you. Please don't rush into some of your goals without first of all going to take the skill acquisition. Going through skill acquisition. Skill acquisition is one area where you must set goal every year. If you had a skill last year, the skill that you had last year may not take you into the opportunities of this year. If you had a skill 5 years ago, the skill that you had 5 years ago may not take you into the opportunities of the next 10 years. That's why it's very important to set skill acquisition goals, because you will need new skills. I remember clearly, for example, in the Bible, Joseph was able to interpret dreams, but that dream interpretation was only needed for when he was in the prison and when he was in Potiphar's house. As soon as he got out of prison and he got into the palace with Pharaoh, he no longer needed the ability to interpret dreams. He needed administrative skills. So there are some skills that you have right now that are not going to be useful for the future. What skill do you have that will be useful for the future? From time to time, it's important you review the relevance of your skill so that you can be relevant in the future. I'll say that again so that you don't miss it. From time to time, it's important to review the relevance of your skill so that you can be relevant for the future. Remember, if you really want to succeed, you have to hit the ground running and head on now to www.foladaniel.com. Thank you.